On all these counts, Etimad has been performing excellent. I want to say something more that has a high value for me in my culture, and that is when I meet a client and I have interaction, a contractor, and I have interaction this close with a contractor, it's very important for me that I work with people that are honest, that are straight, and that are true to their word. And I can say that you are very straight, very honest, very true. You say something to me, you're going to do it. You do it. You don't just say yes, yes, and you do something differently. This means a lot to me, because I don't have to run around after you have promised me something. So I thank you very much for that. And one more thing I will say on top of that, this is my little personal bonus. That is, on a personal level, it has also been a pleasure working with you. Because the contractors you work with, and it's just work, and then there are some contractors you work with, and it's actually becoming kind of friendship. And that makes it fun. That is what takes it from work to actually being fun. So for that, I thank you also. So thank you very much.